In this session, I would like to tell you about Bootstrap 12 column grid system. So, how to create this 12 column grid system means if you want to adjust two paragraphs in side by side, then you have to use grid system, 12 column grid system. So, even if you are there in that 12 column grid system, you can also assign container also. Means each and every grid system, in the sense each and every column grid had some kind of pixel width will be there. For example, I will show you that one. So I will take new document. So I will put this file as 12 column grid system dot html. So now you can see this is a 12 column grid system. Now what I will do is, it doesn't require starter template. What I will do is I will open get bootstrap. There I will use only bootstrap starter template. Here you can see starter template is there. Copy this one, we know about this one, and after that I will paste that one here in this our source code. Now we have to write any kind of code in between this above the bundle.men.js only. Here only we have to define that one. What I will do is I will take a paragraph. There in that I will assign some content. Brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is a dummy content. I will copy paste couple of times so that I can make any kind of content over here. So here you can see this is my content. Save this one. As well as I want to take another new paragraph. So copy this one, paste over here. Now we have two paragraphs only. I want to see the preview how it seems to be there in that browser. So open this one, select this one, open in live server. Here you can see, we can see it seems to be like this. So it is having two rows, two paragraphs. But I need only one row with two columns only. For that, what we need to do is, we need to assign some bootstrap class attributes. Because there is a two paragraphs is there, needs to put these two paragraphs into a row. Then after that, we have to divide these two paragraphs into a columns. Then we can see the output. So for that, I will take one division to create a row. So division, this is for a row. In between this division only, I will put these two paragraphs. Now we can see these two paragraphs seems to be like this. And what I will do is, I will take another division to assign column for first paragraph. So I will put this first paragraph in between this division, and I will align this paragraph like this. As well as I will take another division for the second paragraph. Here what I will do is division. Here you can see this is second paragraph. I will use another division to make a column. So here you can see this is the division, seems to be like this. Having divisions seems to be like this. What I will do is, I will assign some row for these two paragraphs, class equal to row. After that, I will assign some class attribute for this first paragraph. Here you can see class is equal to column. So now this is a first paragraph is having under first column. So I will put that class attribute for this second paragraph also. Class is equal to column. Save this one. Now we can see these two paragraphs seems to be like this, and these two paragraphs are having here in this one row only. Means those two paragraphs having in two columns. So, but here in under this browser you can see there is a horizontal scroll bar is there. It doesn't require to, it doesn't require to, we have to remove this horizontal scroll bar. So for that, what we need to do is, we have to assign some container for these two paragraphs. For that, what I will do is, here you can see div. I will take another division to assign container for this row and columns. I will close that division below the row and the columns. So I will align these things also like this. Now we can see, and here you can see division is there. I will assign class is equal to, I will assign container. Now we can see this two paragraph seems to be like this. So there is a single row with the two columns, and these two columns are having two paragraphs. So what we need to do is we have to adjust some values. We have to assign some values. Okay, so now we can see this is first paragraph is having six columns, second paragraph is having six columns. That's why whatever space starting of the first paragraph, ending of the paragraph had is maintained by container, as well as this is six column. I want to adjust the value of these columns. Here you can observe that this bootstrap couldn't render any kind of pixel. It will render only percentage. It will render only percentage. Here you can see. So that the pixel value will come under that percentage. It will have some minimum pixel values to execute that columns. So what I will do is I would like to increase the width of this paragraph. So for that what I will do is for first column I will assign 9 column. Save this one. Now we can see this is the first paragraph, first column having here in this 9 column, in the sense 9 column in the sense it will occupy like this. One fourth of the width will come like this only. And I would like to assign some columns to this second paragraph also. So totally I will assign 3 column for this second paragraph. Totally it is having 12 columns. So whatever paragraph, whatever paragraphs you may take should be having in between only 12 columns. So now we can see this is a 9 column and 3 column. But here there is an example. There is another topic is there, means if you want to increase the width of any kind of paragraph, we can also assign width. But make sure this is not the procedure to insert the width for each and every paragraph or any object. So what I will do is, for that what I will do is, I will take one paragraph. Okay, so there is some content is there now. So what I will do is, I will copy this one and paste over here, copy paste over here. So now we can see this is the paragraph. It doesn't have any container, means it couldn't have any kind of space starting of the paragraph and ending of the paragraph. For that what we need to do is we need to assign, I will take one division, there I will take assign one attribute, container attribute. So what I will do is copy paste over here, save this one. So here you can see this is the paragraph. What I will do is I will assign class is equal to container to this paragraph. You can see now it is having 100% width, and even we applied container to this second third paragraph now. So it is having 100% width. I would like to assign some background color for better visibility. So for that what I will do is bg info, save this one. Now we can see this is our info bg color only. I want to adjust the width of this this paragraph. So what I will do is, for that we have to use width is having 25% only. Save this one. Now we can see it seems to be like this. It is having 25% only, width only. And I would like to assign 50, in the sense 50%. Save this one. Now we can see it seems to be like this. Okay, I would like to assign 75 percentage. Here you can see this is the 75 percentage. And here you can see the width values where it is having here in this width. In the sense it seems to be sizes. You can see width seems to be 25 percentage, not having here having 20 percentage only, not having in pixels. And moreover here you can see 50, 75, 100 and auto is there. And even you can assign some height in percentages only. You can assign that height to this one. So if you want to assign any kind of width or height, so you have to use these sizing values only. Here in this class I will share you this Bootstrap sizing link also. You can go through that one and do practice. Here you can see this is our third paragraph. Whenever you want to assign two paragraphs in side by side with in a single row with two columns, you can use these columns and rows also. And there is another procedure also be there. With the help of The flex, you can also create this kind of side by side paragraphs also. In next session, I will tell you about that one. You can go through that one.